told you that you are poor or rich, there are rich or poor people in this world. There are no rich or no poor people. There are only one thing: rich mind and poor mind. Let's understand this, okay? Because people, they don't understand this fact, and that is why they stay or they remain poor throughout the life. There is only one thing, the mindset, okay? If your mindset, if you believe in upgrading your mindset through learning, through gaining the knowledge, through learning from the experiences of great people, right, successful people, then you are actually enriching your mind. And that helps you to upgrade your mindset, and then you try to become like Elon Musk, like Jeff Bezos and all. So it is all about your mindset, which is poor or which is rich. And that helps you to let you remain a poor or rich. Okay. They know like categories, right? Of like a lower middle class, upper middle class, rich class, super rich class. No. In terms of wealth, if you see people like this, then folk, you have to upgrade your mentality. There is only one thing: lower middle class, upper middle class, rich class and super rich class. You can see people in these categories only in terms of mindset. Let me tell you one example, okay? If I say, right, to my parents that, okay, I want to get a job in bank sector. Why? Because there is a very good lifestyle, right? Secure job is there, right? Monthly salary is there, right? Definitely I'll be able to retrieve some loan from the bank to fulfill my small dreams, like buying a home, a flat, an apartment, a car. So I became what I chose to be, and it was decided by the mindset that I had. I have nothing to do with rich class or poor class. Let's take one more example, okay? You may have seen like people coming from the a rural background, and they become IAS. They become they join the big MNCs like Sundar Pichai, right? He belongs to a very small family, but he had the mindset and he became a rich person in his life. But you may have come across so many people, right? Those who belong to a rich family, but they have the mindset which is very much poor. So it is your mindset, right? Your mentality that help you to become rich or to stay poor. Understand this, take actions accordingly. Upgrade your mentality by learning new things, learning about the successful people, the great personalities, right? And only the content and material which is relevant in that field. There is no categories of rich people and poor people. There is only the categories of rich mind and poor mind. And anybody can have a rich mind. Anybody can again have a poor mind. For working people, I have a good offer for you guys. If you are not getting extra time to generate extra revenue or to see extra income sources, then you can sell and promote my Udemy courses, and you can generate the whole amount of money, that is the 100% for yourself. For this, you can connect me with the link which is provided in the description. Thank you.